Welcome to the Canva Classroom. Let's learn 10 features that will benefit you with your designs to make things even more efficient and better looking. Each segment will be less than a minute and free. Let's get started. What if you have an image and you do not know what size it is? Right here, there is a little photo icon, and here's our image. I'm going to click it, open it up. I'm just going to click Edit Photo. So if I right click, I can set image as background. It is perfect. And then I can use this to tell someone happy birthday. You can also find that by going to Create a Design and Edit Photo. There it is. If you click Use and Design, then it will ask you to create something that's different. So let's say you want to use that and you know that you want to use it in a photo collage, then you can click that and it's in the photo collage size. Okay, if you're anything like me, you've got a lot of projects and you might not necessarily be able to find what you're looking for. I know that I've got one called Research, or where I've brainstormed things. If you search, it will bring up a template, but you can also click over here on your projects and it will give you designs that you've created. So brainstorming for future TCC lessons, I can click it, that will pop up, and then I can scroll through and see ideas that I've had. So it's really helpful when you create your projects to have a keyword. So like this one says unboxing on it. Even if I typed in CNC, your projects, it will give me up to 5. There's probably more than 5 in there. That's why if you do have a pro account, it's good to create folders to be able to organize things. If you click over Features and go to Photos, we're just going to click Free Photos for now. It will bring up trending photographs that are free. If you see something that you love the colors of and you want to use those colors in your design, all you need to do is click this. All I'm going to do is use this in a design, and I'm just going to grab any design. So let me just grab, let's say 3 colors, and here's photo colors. So I can choose a red, a yellow, and the black. And those are pretty good colors, and say that's my color palette for this design. And then you've got them in your document colors to be able to use for words. For this segment, we're going to go over 4 edit image effects. The first one is autofocus. Click on your image, edit image, type in focus. You will need to connect to it, so click use, and then I would click there. You'll notice that the background automatically blurs out, and it does a pretty good job, but you can change the intensity and the blur position. But all you need to do is click apply. It will say autofocus applied, but I still have saving paused here. So here's an image, edit image, and this time we will look up the word enhance. Basically, it just helps to enhance your image. And you can even change the intensity of it if you like. And by clicking Show Original, going back and forth, you can kind of see the changes that were made. Face Retouch. And for this one, I'm going to use a real image. And what I want to show you is that it really does not do a whole lot. I do want to show you this. Let's type in touch. Face Retouch, light facial retouching. Let's use it and then click on it. So here it does what it does automatically, and that looks pretty good actually. It really does not change much. Like even when I click See Original, I barely notice a change. There's a little change around the mouth, but it's not a whole lot. There's also, you can change the intensity. You can smooth the skin. You can whiten teeth, and you can correct some red eye. Before we move on to vision simulation, this one would be really good for autofocus because it can focus on me and blur out the car in the background. Autofocus. Let's see what the difference is. And that looks pretty good. A lot of people have trouble seeing colors. And this vision simulator will simulate colorblind filters. So we're going to click here, see all, and you will see all of these different filters. So this is how it would look if they had any of these versions of color blindness. This is how the person would see it. And it's really good just to give a check because you never know how your design will look to someone that has color blindness. It's really good to be able to check, especially if you add text. So you could add text. So here's your image. You add text to it, you download it, you re-upload it, and you put it in the vision simulator just to see what it would look like. Did you know that you can add a YouTube video to your design? Here is a YouTube video. I'm going to click share and copy the link. I'll go back to my design and then paste it there. Instead of pasting the link, it actually pastes the YouTube video. And that works really well. Add QR code. You've got a design and you've got a website and you want to add a QR code instead of the website so people can go directly to your website. Go to more, create something new, QR code, or you can type in QR, enter your URL. So I'm going to enter youtube.com/c/the Canva Classroom, generate code, and it will generate the code for me for my design. Add maps. You can add maps to your design. Let's go here. Type in map. Google Map. You can search wherever you want to add a map. So let's say you're having some sort of party in Raleigh, North Carolina. I mean, you could be more specific than Raleigh, but I'm not going to be more specific than that. I just double clicked it to find a specific. Let's say that you're meeting at this Longleaf Hotel and Lodge. So then you can put that in your design. All right, what did you guys think about everything? Which one did you not know about? And what are you looking forward to using in an upcoming design? I use the project search all of the time. And of course the YouTube video. Oh, I'm kidding. I love all these. I think they're all great, or I wouldn't have shared them. If you like this tutorial and want to see more like it, then I highly recommend you giving it a thumbs up, because you giving it a thumbs up lets me know that you want more content like this. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.